Hi gorgeous, I'm Cassidy. I'm so happy that you're here to strengthen the back line of your body. I am looking for some inspiration and you help me to keep going. I appreciate you so much, thank you. In my 20 plus years of teaching Pilates, this is one of my go-to exercises. This is ideal for beginners. Let's get to it. You're gonna start on your belly, legs together, squeezing your legs together, pushing the front of your hips into the mat, feeling your legs are active and your glutes are on, and imagine that your belly button never wants to touch the mat. Gently stitch your shoulder blades together to open up your shoulders. Have your head in line with your spine. If you want to work your glutes more, you can take your legs off of the mat as long as you're feeling your booty working more than your hamstrings. If you notice your hamstrings starting to take over, you can always rest your legs back down. So from this home base position, you're going to extend your spine just a little bit more, take your hands off of the mat and bring your arms out to the side like you are the letter T. From here, you're going to pull your arms back to the outside of your legs, keeping your chest and shoulders open, and then back into the T position and repeat. Remembering your belly button never wants to touch the mat. You should feel your glutes on at all times. You are isometrically contracting your legs, meaning that they are working even though they're not moving. You want to feel the muscles in between your shoulder blades really firing up. So you're going to feel the shoulders, the upper back, the glutes, the abs, and the legs working. Pretty much a whole body exercise here. Reaching through the crown of your head. Be aware if your head is dropping. You want to keep your head in line with your spine. You should be feeling your upper back by now. Each movement is with intention, right? You want to be aware of what you want to be working, what you want to be feeling. Oh, you should be feeling fatigued now. See if you can do a few more. If you notice any lower back pain or neck pain, you want to stop and rest. That's absolutely fine. Let's just do a few more. One more. And then from there, going into a child's pose, reaching your arms long out in front of you as you press your booty back down toward your heels. Oh my goodness, that should feel good for the low back and the shoulders. Just take a couple breaths here. Very nice. Well done. All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. Every exercise counts. You did good today. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. So if you have any questions or you're looking for some modifications, leave a comment. I'm happy to help you. Do as many as you can, and you can do multiple sets if you'd like. So FYI, this is part 2 of 5. You can access part 3 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.